Welcome to the Bacon Lowdown. I'm going to show you guys how we make gingerbread cookies. First step is going to be using your 1/3 cup canola oil and your 3/4 cup of sugar. You're going to blend those in really good together for about 3 minutes, and then you'll add in a 1/4 cup of molasses and a 1/4 cup of soy milk to that and mix that up as well, and then you can get ready for your dry ingredients. Now we're adding in our dry ingredients. You're going to add about half of the dry ingredients first, mix that up, and then continue to add the remainder of the dry ingredients. Mix that together, and then you'll be adding your spices, and once that's all mixed, you have your dough and you're ready to roll it out. Now you're going to pat it into this shape, wrap it up in plastic wrap for an hour in the fridge.